So my name is Dr. Jason Rasgon. I'm an assistant professor in the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health in the Department of Molecular Microbiology and Immunology, and also in the Johns Hopkins Malaria Research Institute. And I'm broadly interested in the relationship between the genetics of vector populations and the epidemiology of vector-borne pathogens. So malaria is the most important vector-borne disease in the world today. It's a huge killer. It kills, the stats vary, somewhere between 1 and 3 million people per year. Most of them are children under 5 in Africa. So it's an enormous problem. And that's just in terms of the mortality, but it also is a huge burden in terms of morbidity and public health and burdens on the economy of these areas where it's afflicted. It really is a problem, in South America and Africa and Asia. It's a sort of a worldwide problem, and it is reemerging.